Hey, what is going on, you guys? This is Matt with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics here in Jacksonville, Florida. We got a pretty cool build out here in front of us today. This is a 2024 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate 2500. And what we did on this vehicle is an entire sound system with high fidelity audio with a little spin on it, all factory location. You actually don't see any of the speakers aside from what you traditionally see in the factory setup. This is what the client wanted. Nice, sleek, stealth. Didn't want to see anything. He wanted to keep it as factory looking as possible. What we ended up doing in this vehicle is we did focal K2 or focal FRAK tweeters, Utopia 3-inch mid-ranges in the dash location here, and then the K2 Power M 6.5s in the door. And then in the back, we did the K2, this two-way component set off the crossover. The front stage is all ran active. The rear stage is on a crossover, of course. 4 subs. These guys are pretty cool. We got 3 of the K2 shallow 10s in our custom box, which you can find online at store.audiodesigncg.com. Everything will be linked in the description. This setup really hits, and they're super nice subs. I mean, these things are awesome. They're super high quality. What we use for a signal in this truck to give us a nice flat output signal is we use a Axxess piece, which I can't show you now, but is placed behind the seat. I'll try to pop up a photo. Placed behind the seat, and then that goes to an Audison Forza M8.12 amp/DSP. And then that also goes out to, I believe we use an M4D for the rest of it. So a lot of the stuff in here is bridged, especially when it comes to the front for more power. Everything is tuned on a JL Max, so all the phasing's corrected, all the equalization, everything's corrected. So it all sounds amazing. Your front soundstage is stupendous. Let me see here. Get in here and show you guys this. This is what we ended up coming up with. The Audison has a controller. We made this little mount for it. This controller is a volume control, sub control, does source selection if you had multiple sources. But one of the coolest things is it can change your tune. So we programmed the tune with multiple settings. So this here are presets. You have driver's seat. So this is time aligned for the driver's seat. No rears. This is sound quality. So it's pure sound quality. Like if you were to go to a sound quality competition, it's just straight sound quality. And you get to hear passenger seat sound quality, same thing, but just optimized for the passenger seat. This one is both, and then the rears are introduced, so it's good sound with rears, because what happens when you introduce the rears is it actually pulls your timing, your imaging back, because you have vocals coming out of the rears. So instead of everything being centered on the dash, how it should be, it gets pulled back. So we did that both with rears. And you got driver seat SQ with bass, so it's a sound quality tune, same tune, but with more bass emphasized instead of being flat. Same thing for the passenger seat. And then the last tune we have is loud, no EQ, and it's driver time aligned. So basically that's no equalization, so everything is playing as loud as it can get. And it gets louder. It doesn't sound as good, but if you want to kind of rock out a little bit, you can, because this setup is bumping. We also sound deadened each one of the doors. So we did a layer of SoundShield on the inside, and then on the outside we made our custom speaker adapters, and we used Stinger's fast rings. You'll see pictures of this when I put it up. But yeah, front doors, back doors. The back door has the back wall has a layer of sound deadening. But yeah, I mean, it's a super high fidelity audio setup. That JL Max is just absolutely awesome when it comes to tuning. And yeah, I mean, this setup is really top notch. I mean, it doesn't get much better than this. This is Matt signing off. If you ever need anything, contact us at 904-333-2322. Email us at info.audiodesigns@gmail.com, or visit us on our website at store.audiodesigncg.com to see the list of our current products available for purchase, all made here, designed, produced, and everything in the United States of America. So y'all have a fantastic rest of your day, and we'll catch you in the next one.